So a lot of people are on TikTok right now saying these two products are a scam. Now let's figure it out together. I'll show you what a real scam is. What I'm gonna show you is science, clinical backed science and studies, okay? So I want you to follow along with me here. This is a clinical validation study done by the Cleveland Clinic. If you haven't heard of the Cleveland Clinic, it's the #2 hospital in the whole world, not just in Canada, not just in America, in the whole world. And let's look at their study right here, done on balance by the Cleveland Clinic. Do we all see that? Cleveland Clinic. And what was their conclusion? Such a product, if taken regularly, could reduce cardiovascular risk on a population basis and potentially decrease the need and or dose for lipid-lowering prescription drugs. Guys, this is the only natural health product in the market today that actually helps lowering cholesterol. Who did this study? Again, the Cleveland Clinic, the #2 hospital in the whole world. Now, how could these two products be a scam if the science is this strong? I'm gonna show you the real scam. These guys right here. Now, I don't know if you know this, but these 10 companies own all the food we eat. Doesn't matter what it is. They own the farms, they own the labs, they own the retail shelves. No matter what you eat, these guys are involved. And even if you say, fine, I don't even eat that food. I go to the farmer's market. This is what your food looks like. Your carrots used to look like a branch. Bananas used to have seeds in them. Look at corn. Completely modified. Now, this makes sense. Throughout history, food was scarce, so we created more food so we can obviously have more calories. But now we're to the point where these guys are manufacturing 6,000 calories per person per day. Do you know anybody who's actually ate 6,000 calories per person per day? I have friends who are bodybuilders in bulk. They can't even eat 6,000 calories per person per day without vomiting. It's a lot of food. Now, what happens? You're eating this food, you're aging prematurely, you're gaining weight, your energy's taking a hit, your mental health's taking a hit, you're infertile, your cholesterol is going up, your blood pressure is going up, and you got high blood sugar, diabetes, fatty liver, all these things. This is how we're feeling, and where do we go? We go to this industry, and they have the exact same objective as the food industry. It's to sell more product. It's not to solve your problem. How many people do you know on medication who are still on medication? Have they gotten off of it? Has it solved their problem? No. And what happens? We're stuck in this vicious cycle. So the reason I'm showing you this is because this is the real scam. It's not two products that are clinically backed. If we can solve this, we can solve everything else. But this company, Feel Great, Unicity, they said, guess what? We can't solve the whole system. We can't recreate the system. But what can we do? We can create a tool to add back in what these companies have removed. That's what this is. There's people out here who are saying, this is a magic product. This is a cure that's gonna solve all your problems. No, we're not making that argument. We're saying we have two products here that actually work, and they're tools to help you get back to the basics of your health. That's it. But what's a real scam? You tell me, this or two products?